How to delete post on Stocktwits. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are on Stocktwits and want to tidy up your posts, do not worry at all. It is a simple process and it can be done in a few seconds. Launch open the Stocktwits app or visit their website and log into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left and click on My Profile. After opening up My Profile section, you'll be able to see all of the posts that you've made. To delete a post, find the post and tap the three dot right next to it. In the pop-up, click Delete Message and click on Delete once again in the pop-up to confirm. Now you have successfully deleted your post. Remember, your post is now removed from your profile and the Stocktwits timeline. You can't delete other people's posts, only your own. Deleted posts cannot be recovered, so double check before you continue deletion. You can use this feature to keep your profile neat and focused on what matters most. So there you have it. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.